For German biscuits, you're going to need some unsalted butter, some caster sugar, some plain flour, I sieved it first, some jam, I use blackcurrant, doesn't matter, icing, add a little bit of jam to that icing, that's what gave it the colour. And as you get going, set that oven gas mark 4. Alright, there's my butter, room temperature, add the sugar, you're going to cream those together. It just means mix it together until that sugar's dissolved in there. Takes a while. Could use an electric beater. And goes the flour. Mix thoroughly. Should be nice and dry. And then eventually you can get your hands in, form it into a ball, and that will make your kind of pastry. Quite crumbly. Just keep working it till it works for you. Flour the surface, flour the pin, start rolling out. And we're going for somewhere around about 5-6 millimeters thickness. Tried to show that with a couple of pound coins piled up. You'll see them in a minute. I'm not sure it really helped. Cut them out, small cutters, because we're making a double thickness biscuit. Your baking tray needs to have some baking paper on it to line it. There we are. I managed to make 26 halves, so 13 biscuits in total. In they go for about 10-15 minutes. Halfway through, turn it around. You don't really want them to brown. Out they come just before they're browned. And cool just for a few minutes, and then you're going to flip half of them over. And on those ones, you're going to put a little bit of jam. Less is more here, just a little bit of jam. And then onto the other halves, effectively the tops, a little bit of icing. Then you sandwich those together. I decorated with a little silver ball. They were delicious. I hope yours are too.